Hey, hi. How are you all? Happy weekend, right? Happy weekend. Happy weekend. So I hope you are trading good. I was a bit busy since last weeks. I will be traveling to UK for a business visit. But anyways, today the question came as that how to trade GBP. GBP has lost momentum on Friday that and it has been big bearish turn for GBP USD pairs. So So let's focus on GBP pair now and we'll cover the rest in the remaining sessions. Okay, so how to trade GBP pair? Okay, yes. So are you able to see my screen? Right, correct. So you can see easily that earlier we were traded this triangle, then we were in wait position, and now kind of a channel pattern over here, right? And then channel breakout, retest, last kiss technique that we learn, and it continuation. So immediate first target would be, around here. Next target would be somewhere here, right? Let me insert text for you. Okay, so this would be the target 1 and this is target 2. But now how to enter into the trade is the big question, because if you enter, your stop loss will be somewhere here, right? So it's a big, what you can say, it's a risk profit to risk ratio. So the risk owning will be these many pips, whereas profit is low. Yeah, there is likely chances that it will hit to the target 1 and target 2, but to trade this pair, wait for some consolidation on H4 or H1 chart, right? Wait for some consolidation on H4 or H1 chart and then go with a bearish trend till the time it reaches to our first target or second target, right? And as we discussed in the last session, this is called as a fakey breakout. So this was the fakey breakout. Market tried to cross the previous resistance level but couldn't. This is again very high probability. If you have been entered here in this market, you have been at the right time entry, right? 1 to 5 risk to reward. If you have been entered on the fakey breakout, you would have got 5 times returns in how many days? 9 days. In 9 days you would have been got 5 times return, right? I hope you are getting what I want to tell. So right now the risk is very high. If you want to enter, your breakpoint will be somewhere here and you have entered here, so risk is high. So wait on H4 or H1 chart consolidation and trade with chart pattern. So for me, I am expecting this is the target 1 and target 2, then again some consolidation, it will either go up or go down, right? Thanks. So we'll look after other GBP pair as well. This was GBP USD, then GBP JPY. It's coming up, taking some time. So same thing. You can see I was observing this trade line, and across this trade line, this is the first breakout, right? and then there was this is been retest to that trade line. If we draw it here, it would be a better trade line. Perfect. So first break, then this is the consolidation and this is continuation. So now the first target would be somewhere here. So there is high probability that it will touch to around 130 zone, 130.00. Okay, there are chances that it will retrace somewhat and then again continue. Right, so the same thing that we will wait for H1 or H4 chart to form some continuation pattern, and on that continuation pattern we will go for bearish. Right, let's go further. GBP NZT is again consolidation. We will wait for this breakout, that is around 1.7688. The most likely is Euro GBP. So are you able to see this Euro GBP? Okay, so this was my expected, that if market retrace and break this level, then I was expecting that it will reach here, but that didn't happen. So this was rising edge pattern that you can see, and market try to break this previous trade line of the rising edge pattern. It came here, that was one of the support level. It could not break the support from the pin bar, and its continuation. The same thing, if you have been traded on this pin bar, it is almost 1:4. In 11 days your returns would have been 4 times of your investment on this particular trade. Right, I hope you are getting me. Now entering into this trade is a bit risky, though. See, the first resistance is here, the next resistance will be at this point. Okay, so you are owning a high risk, so let for some retracement, some continuation pattern, and then enter. Right, enter, and this is your again a new trade line. So you will look for some patterns that will touch this trade line and will continue. Right, market will not always be in the up direction and always in down direction. Market do take some rest before continue. Right, I hope you are able to get the trading guidance. We are trading based on purely price pattern and the techniques that we learned from Naked Forex. Right, along with that, we are using the tool called as a Forex Trendy to identify the trades. So that are the useful trades, useful tips, or the trading setup that we can know from the Forex Trendy. Okay, so overall you got the picture, right? So it was the rising wedge, then it came down, it could not break that support, it formed a pin bar, then again it was struggling to break this trade line. Right, if you have traded this pin bar, your first stop loss would be here, first stop loss here, then you moved your stop loss here, then you moved your stop loss here. So you are still in the game of positive trend, like that. Yes, so if you have any questions, just post me below. I have shared my email ID as well as my phone number. I will be happy to give you the details. Yes, so you have got an idea, right, how to trade and how to set the stop loss and targets. Thanks for joining me. I will share some more tips in coming videos.